G'day! Time for another odd bonnet scoop install. You'll never guess what's going on this one. I'll show you. There it is. Do you know what it is? It's an XB GT scoop. It's fiberglass. The green bonnet is off a VY Commodore Ute. And the corset doesn't fit. Yeah, it's too long, not the right shape, but we'll get it sorted. You have to do a lot of cutting on this one. I ended up cutting through every second one and then extending these. Now it's nice and flexible. The issue I'm having now is this is sitting on the bonnet. So I need to get that down so this sits lower. Because when I go to force it, it puckers up there. Because that's sitting on the bonnet. So, time to cut the bonnet. Alright, now I got that done. Flip it over. Thing's awkward with one hand. There we go. So see those black lines? I'm going to trim all that all the way around. I'll leave the Clico spots. I can trim them up later. And I've got this done. Look at that. Pretty cool. I'm happy with that. Customer's happy with that. So I'm going to flip this over, prepare the top side, and trim this up and then get it glued into place. And I can start making it seamless. Look at this mess. I'm sick of cleaning up mess. If I find out who makes this mess in my shop, I'm gonna, you know. Anyway, check it out. It's on there. Tis permanente, as they say in some language. I'm very happy with how this came out. It's very nice. And I think it suits it. Once it's painted and it's on the car, this thing's going to look tough. That's a statement. I sanded the whole bonnet, the whole thing with 320 grit. So it's still got some, I just blew it off with the air blower. So it's still got residual, which is cool. Yeah. So you see this line down here, that's the fiberglass. And then there's just that tiny bit of filler just to feather it after I sanded it. I also dug in to the scoop all around, so when I put the fiberglass down, it had somewhere to go, so there wasn't like a big bulge and then it goes a drop off onto that. And then just, you know, feathered it out with a bit of filler. Job's good. And even that, ba-doop. Nice, I like it. Can't wait to see it painted and bolted on the car, because it will look even better. And then what I did under there, hard to see. Anyway, it looks very cool. I'm extremely happy with this one, that's for sure. But the mess, why the mess? Next time you see this, it'll be bolted on the car, painted. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching. There it is. It's painted. Looking wicked. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.